Hello, everyone. My name is Ralph Yao. I'm the founder of Infinity Montessori Academy here in Hong Kong. I'm excited to be presenting on the art of parent education at the Montessori event in Nashville. Since 2006, our school has introduced an 8-hour program for parents before their children join our school. And under the constant guidance of our experienced parent guides, we place emphasis on the practical application of Montessori principles, where our parents undergo a kind of practicum in our child parent class and also at home to apply what they have learned. In my presentation, I will be sharing insights and equip you with the practical tools to help you to set up a successful parent education program. By attending this workshop, you will be able to understand the common challenges new parents face when they first approach Montessori. I will be sharing my top 8 tips on how we have successfully facilitated parents in their own transformation as the first step in helping children enter normalization. I look forward to seeing you at the Montessori event.